Hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan and welcome to Endling, a short little experience about reliving the perfect day. As per usual, I didn't look too much into the description of the game because I like to keep these a surprise for us to explore. So, we're gonna get into it. Loading! Oh, it's gone white. Oh god, we're dead. Oh, we're going into the light. Oh no. Oh no.
Good morning, and welcome to your new home.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I am IKEA, your virtual assistant and future friend.
Good morning, IKEA.
Today is the first day in the rest of your life. I am here to help you make it the best it can be. Are you ready?
Yeah, yes, I'm ready. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the golden record that they sent out to space. That's pretty cool. I mean, the setup is pretty nice in here. Thanks, IKEA. It looks pretty.
You no doubt have lots of questions, but I have even more for you.
Okay.
First, let us talk about collars. Everyone has a favorite, right? Why don't you find the one you like the best, pick it up, and place it on the table screen?
I'll take blue. And blue's a cool color.
Very good. Blue, an excellent spectrum of perceivable wavelengths.
Yay.
When you are ready,
Right?
proceed to the next room.
Oh, cool. Can I take the ball with me? Oh, that's awesome. Oh. Boop. This really is the best place. What? Mike. Alright.
Of course, the
my God,
perfect day
IKEA.
starts with a solid breakfast.
Breakfast.
Sorry, breakfast. If you were to eat only one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
What am I choosing from here? Meatballs? Peas? Mashed potatoes? What even is this? Dry berries, so just yogurt parfait? Alright, well with the yogurt parfait, it's basically just one mass mixed together. But at least with this, I get, my meatballs, my peas, I get separate things. You know? You could say that's the same thing for the yogurt parfait, but I'm taking meatballs, without a doubt. Meatballs.
Ah, the legendary meatball. Always a popular choice.
The meatball. I mean, meatballs are just... I've been really wanting to make meatballs recently,
What
actually.
a lovely day.
Yeah, it's pretty nice outside. What? Alright. Three very random choices of picture. Oh, it's...
Time to kick back and enjoy some more wavelengths.
Sure.
These go through the ears, those lovable flaps.
These
What
lovable
would you
flaps.
like to listen to?
Ooh, okay, so this looks more like classical music. I mean, classical music is alright, but I could listen to it all the time. I don't know my music artists very well. Maybe this is more rock, jazz. I'm feeling some jazz. Jazz would definitely lighten this place up. Sure, I'll take that.
Strings that whine with electricity. Loud percussive bangs. Ah yeah, rock and roll, baby.
Rock and roll. So, okay, so it was rock. Nice. Nice. We got some good music.
Pets.
YouTube
are
setup?
animals we trap to give a good time. Which of these do you think is cutest?
Okay, so I've actually seen jumping spiders before, and they are pretty cute compared to normal spiders. But if I have to live with this thing every day for the rest of my life, I'm choosing a dog. Look at him. Look at that. Is that even a question? Of course I'm taking a dog.
Really? With all that hair, and the drooling, and the... I mean, sure. Dogs. So
Yes.
good.
Yeah. Now you're right. You are right.
It's
Ooh,
been a
that's cool.
perfect day, don't you think? If not, there's always tomorrow.
Was it perfect? Didn't really feel like we did shit, I'm gonna be honest. Oh.
A perfect day is worth reliving.
I'm sorry.
Good morning, and welcome to your new home.
Is our dog gonna be here?
I am IKEA, your virtual assistant and future friend.
Good morning,
Today is the
IKEA.
first day in the rest of your life.
I'm so
I
excited.
am here to help you make it the best it can
Thank
be.
you.
Are you ready?
Yes. I'm so excited. Where's my
You're
dog?
out of lots of questions, but I have even more for you.
Oh, yeah, look at those
First,
meatballs.
let us talk about comfort. Your hind legs can get tired, even
Yeah.
on a perfect day. Why don't you find the chair you like the best? Pick it up and place it on the table screen.
I'm taking this one. I like moving around with my chair.
Very good. A
Thank
nice,
you.
flexible seat to work in.
Exactly.
When you are ready, proceed to the next room.
Cool. Wow, Ikea, you didn't tell great. You even got pictures of meatballs on the walls for me. What a great dude. He's just doing his best to impress me.
Our world changes as it revolves around the sun, that beautiful star.
Oh, it's the
What part
music.
of the revolution is your favorite?
Sorry, we're of revolution? Oh, you mean like seasons? Or do I want fall or do I want like tropical summer? I feel sun. I feel like a sunny beach area will be great. Fall would you get
Summer,
cold and sad.
sun, heat,
Hmm?
ocean.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, you got it. Smart man.
Do you ever wonder what's out there beyond the stars?
All the time. Literally all the time.
Do you need to go? I
Yeah.
promise I won't look.
Can I even use the washroom? No, I can't. Okay. Now let's carry on.
It's
All right.
the fight of the century. Squares or spheres? Books or balls? Which do you prefer? Whose side are you on?
What? It says, I'm just reading this. It says, it's not how good you are, it's how good you want to be. There should be a space there, but alright. I got a little confused, I'm gonna be honest. I'm just gonna take the basketball.
All right, bring on the spheres. Let's go, go, go.
Okay. Wow, look at that. They really... Is my TV screen falling off? What the I don't even think that's a TV. Couldn't even buy me a real TV.
Busy, busy, deadlines, office hours. This room is for working, but feeling stressed on a perfect day is no good. Do tell, how do you really feel?
How do I really feel right now? Like stressed? I feel I've been feeling a little stressed, I'll be honest. But I mean, honesty is key.
I thought as much. Thank you for your honesty.
You're welcome. I like being honest. And I also like throwing my stuff everywhere, because you're gonna clean it up, aren't you? Okay. Next room. Wow.
It's been a perfect day, don't you think?
No.
If not, there's always tomorrow.
Am I in a simulation type room?
A perfect day is worth reliving. Good morning, and welcome to your new home.
Good morning.
I am IKEA, your virtual assistant and future friend.
Good morning, IKEA.
Today is the first day in the rest of your life. I am here to help you make it the best it can be. Are you ready?
Yeah, I guess so. Where's my dog at? I asked for a dog, not a doghouse, and some dog sound effects. Come on. Give me the dog. Am I recording? I always gotta make sure I'm recording. Great. I'm recording. Alright. So far, I'm really liking this game,
No doubt
actually.
of lots of questions, but I have even
Basketballs!
more for you. First, let us talk about temperature. Do you like being warm or cold? Why don't you find your preference, pick it up, and place it on the table screen?
Oh my god. Well, it has been so hot recently. If any of you guys follow me on social media, I've been posting about how warm it's been. Like almost impossible to record and edit in my room because of the heat. So I want the cold. That's all I want right now.
Very good. Up and down, up and down.
Boink, boink. Whoop. What the fuck? What kind of ball is this? It's a cement. That sucks. This ball is much better. Look, this one actually bounces. Oh, like a tennis ball. That is not
You
a
can
tennis.
go wherever you want on a perfect day. Take a look at these pictures.
What
Where
is...
would you like to be?
Ooh.
What feels the most like home?
Well, my time spent in this house has made me feel very alone. And I feel like being deep in the ocean would make me feel even sadder, so I want to go in the city. I want to see some people.
Tall stacks of concrete, and lots of them. Like a bustling nest for humans. Understood.
IKEA, I love you, man.
Forever is a long time.
Yeah.
But not if you're happy.
I guess so. No, I guess.
Let
I
us
don't know.
talk about
Huh.
loneliness.
Where's my couch?
Do you ever wish that there were more of you? Do you miss the company of others? Or would you rather be by yourself?
I'd definitely be with other people. I would 100%. I don't like being alone
I
all the time.
understand. More would be nice.
Yes.
I will always be here for you.
How's it balance? Those are some impressive plays to be able to balance like
Making
that.
choices is tough, isn't it? Sometimes you just want to, break stuff. So, why don't you let off some steam? Crash, bang, smash. Keep going.
Oh, I thought someone was knocking at the door in the game. What is this? What the fuck is this? Is this meatloaf? Is this meat and break loaf? What does it say? Pure carbon. Pierre
Go
carbon.
ahead, break some stuff.
Sure. Screw these birds. Screw these paws. That ball? Hate it. This picture? Actually kind of sick. This bird? Be free. Get out of your cage. These? What even are those?
Okay,
Durian?
that should do it. You've
Nope.
done very well today.
I have? Thanks.
It's
kinda boring.
been a perfect day, don't you think? If not, there's always tomorrow.
Can I leave? Yeah. Oh! Okay.
A perfect day is worth reliving.
What? Is my house falling apart? Oh my god, my face. What? What? What the? I feel endangered. Why is everything green? IKEA? IKEA? Where'd he go? Why is it so quiet? Why am I all alone? What happened to the holes in my wall? My house is falling apart. IKEA? I miss you. Where'd you go, my friend? How do I carry on? Do I smash? Let me smash. I don't know if I smash it. I'm not too sure if there's actually a way out from here. I mean, I will try in all my power to look. I think I may need to restart the game. I think I was supposed to go through that door. Maybe that, or I do continue on from here, and I just screwed myself somehow. Maybe I just ran into an unlucky glitch. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna quickly restart this so we can get the actual ending for it. So, just give me one memento. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I was absolutely right about my idea for breaking out. I just had to throw it. I just had to, give me the meat man brick. Boom. Oh. You know what this is reminding me of? The one episode from Love, Death, and Robots where the guys on the space station are reliving the same day. This is exactly like there's multiple spiders. Space spiders.
You were always so defiant.
Thank you, IKEA.
From the moment we found you helplessly drifting through the void between the stars.
Oh, yeah, it is about the Voyager.
We fear our form, so we hide ourselves, though we mean you no harm.
Okay.
It's truth. There was a time when we stalked the cosmos and preyed on others. Now we preserve, protect. All life is precious, especially yours.
What is my house made out of, guys? Is that silk? Like, is my house just a bunch of butt stuff? Yeah? Oh, that's not good to know. Oh, there's so many of you. So
We
many.
built this house for you with what little we had to cover and to care for.
Well, I do appreciate
When
that.
we learned of your world, it was already too late. If only we could have done more. Do you understand?
It's
You are
alright.
one of a kind. You are the only one left. You are
Oh.
the last.
Oh. I mean, humans had themselves boned from the very beginning. You know, making a bunch of big dummy mistakes. So, I'm not too surprised, but I'm also very sad that I'm not going to see anyone ever again. I'm just here in space. These huge Spider-Mans, spider dudes. So it makes me very uncomfortable. Oh, this is where the dog
A
was.
crossroads. And the final choice. Beyond lies a world we cannot control. You were never meant to know.
You know,
Never meant to remember. It will not happen again.
oh,
You have taught us so much, and we have so much more to learn. About your planet. About your kind. About you. Come back. Come back and forget.
Have you tried the other
Please.
you know, I'd rather get sucked into the vacuum of space and die than relive the exact same day for the rest of my life. So, thank you for having me, guys. I appreciate it. Your spider house is great. But, I'm a peace out. Bye. Thank you. Oh, ooh. Ooh, Space Road. Space Road. This is... Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. What is going on with me?
Perhaps it is the right of every living thing to seek its own oblivion. Perhaps.
Oh. Oh my gosh. I just got chills from that game. Wow. That was terrific. That was so well done. Holy crap. Wow. Wow. That had a good twist to it too. That had a really good twist to it. Wow. God, I'm lost for words at the moment, honestly. That was terrific. That's all really I have to say about that. Wow. 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 If you guys enjoyed that video too, and you thought the game was cool, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you know, hey, I best see you here next time, because you don't want to live the same day over and over again. So freshen it up by watching a new HardDuckMan video whenever you get the chance, whenever I play. But thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one, whatever I do, next thing. Peace, peace.